Hey, welcome to Sailing Desire. This is Frank, and I'm Jessica. During the pandemic, we both quit our jobs working as engineers in aerospace to pursue the life we desire. We bought our boat in May 2021 and moved on to it full-time soon after. What's up, passion pursuers? In our last video, you saw us leaving Beaufort, South Carolina, and continuing our journey north.
We arrived in Charleston well after dark. We couldn't see much of the scenery while we were anchoring, but when we woke up, this is what we saw.
There weren't any good dinghy landing areas around, especially for people without a motor, so we decided to make our way to a marina so we could get off the boat for the day. And while we were headed there, we saw some dolphins! We stayed at the Charleston Marina Mega Dock for the night, and man, was that a long walk. But the next day, we were right back off to it, headed north. Sailboat pass us?
Yeah. You didn't see it?
Privateer. Like it's the first boat we've seen in a while that didn't have a lady. The tugboat that radioed us was Miss Gloria.
There's a boat coming up on our aft starboard.
Back to port. How far are they?
They're coming right now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, baby, baby. Oh. I don't even know if I'm getting it on camera. I'm just pointing. Dolphins, 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 dolphins. They're literally everywhere. god, oh my 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 god! This is the greatest day of my life. The greatest day of my life. Baby, you gotta record on your phone. Alright guys, unfortunately the camera is about to die. We don't have a second battery, so that super sucks. I am going to enjoy this, and I just gotta say this is definitely one of the greatest days of my life. This is amazing. Ugh. Did I hit you?